It is Sunday night. Instead of resting, you are staring at a blank document, trying to build tomorrow's lesson from scratch. It is a time-consuming burden almost every educator knows intimately. TeachSpark was built by a working classroom teacher to solve this exact problem, rather than a tech corporation guessing at what classrooms need. On this landing page, you see the core prerequisite and the promise. Bring a single topic, a syllabus, or even a video link. You can generate a digital lesson, align it to standards, and create printable worksheets in 2 minutes instead of 2 hours. Here in the My Apps dashboard, you can see the actual workspace you use to organize those generated materials. This platform reorients your workflow. You stop building every lesson from scratch and start curating with AI-accelerated generation. Before you build an activity, there is a critical first step to calibrate the system. This drop-down menu at the top right of the dashboard shows the default mode switcher, toggling between K-8, 9-12, and higher education. Making this selection ensures the AI strictly calibrates the reading level and tone perfectly before any content generation actually begins. Once your level is set, you initiate a new build simply by clicking the Create New App button. Setting these precise constraints early separates high-quality, usable classroom materials from generic, uncalibrated AI text. This chat interface shows Valerie, the built-in assistant. You have multiple ways to input your topic: typing a raw subject, pasting a YouTube link, or interacting directly with Valerie to describe what you need. This flowchart illustrates the cascading picker method used to align your lesson to Common Core standards. You select the grade level, branch down to the specific domain, and finally pinpoint the exact standard. TeachSpark doesn't generate a lesson roughly related to a topic. It targets the exact specific skill outlined in the standard you just chose. As this animation of data points assembling into a solid block shows, hitting Generate instructs the AI to build a completely fresh custom lesson. It is not pulling a pre-made file from a static library. Precision inputs guarantee precision outputs. By selecting the exact standard up front, you eliminate the need to manually rewrite the lesson to fit compliance requirements later. The immediate result of that generation process is a completed interactive digital activity. This cyclical diagram breaks down the strict pedagogical structure the system applies to every generated lesson. It follows a 4-part learning arc: teach, practice, apply, reflect, and finishes with an exit ticket. Students access this activity through a frictionless model. They do not need accounts, they simply enter via a shared link or a scanned QR code. This digital output provides a pedagogically sound lesson structure for the educator, while presenting zero barrier to entry for the student. To mitigate classroom tech issues like spotty Wi-Fi or missing devices, you can convert these digital assets directly into offline materials. This annotated guide page shows the activity card interface, where you locate the necessary tools for that conversion. To create the physical worksheet, you locate and click the specific print icon, labeled here as button number 4. The platform generates a publication-quality physical worksheet. It includes real ruled writing lines and proper bubble-style multiple-choice formatting. The final step is clicking the golden key icon. This instantly generates the corresponding answer key, complete with detailed scoring rubrics for any written responses. Connecting digital interactivity to the analog reality of paper classrooms ensures the system remains practical for daily use. From a single topic input, you have now created a structured digital activity, secured standard alignment, formatted a physical worksheet, and printed a detailed answer key. Because this platform was designed by a teacher, it is built specifically so educators can confidently close their laptops at 3 p.m. on Friday. On this pricing page, you can see the 14-day free trial available for the educator plan. You can test the entire system yourself, and no credit card is required to start. Sign up for the trial and use it to generate a full activity for your absolute hardest-to-plan subject. Classroom technology must actively protect your time and energy.